A big hello, adab and namaskar to all my students. Today we will study chapter 8 Seasons of Hamara Bharat class 4th. But talking about seasons, it is very important to know about temperature. Listen very carefully. Temperature is the measurement of the level of hotness and coldness of wind at a particular place. Students, we measure temperature with two different scales. One is Celsius scale and other is Fahrenheit scale. Students, you must know what is the temperature of a healthy person. As you see in this picture, the temperature of a healthy person on a Fahrenheit scale is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, while on Celsius scale it is 37.4 degrees Celsius. Another important thing of temperature is related with water. Water freezes into solid ice at 0 degrees Celsius and it starts boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. You can see in this picture. Now, after understanding what is temperature, let's talk about seasons of India. The weather of India is different in all parts of the country at the same time. In India, seasons are based on climatic condition and rainfall in a particular area. It is very interesting about India. At the same time, where a southern tip of India has heavy monsoon rains, north is covered with thick snow. Even summer temperature is not same at different places in India at the same time. So, based on climatic condition and rain pattern, India has three main seasons. 1. Winter season, 2. Summer season, and 3. Rainy season. All seasons have their speciality. Different fruits, vegetables and cereals are grown in different seasons. Even we dress according to season. Now we will talk briefly about each season. Winter season. First we will talk about winter season. In India, winter season starts from November and extends up to February. Temperature starts dropping gradually till December. It's extreme cold in January. Days are short and nights are long. Cold wind flows from west and there is a cold wave in northern plains. People use woolen clothes to protect themselves from extreme cold. Sometimes there is heavy snowfall on Himalayan range. In winters, there is dense fog in northern India. Visibility becomes very poor or low, which sometimes also results into accidents. Flights and trains are late or stay cancelled due to heavy fog. During the month of January, cold wave prevails in northern India. Now, you must be thinking, what is cold wave? The cold wind in winter season, which blows for more than one day and lowers the temperature by 5 degrees Celsius below than normal temperature, is called cold wave. People sit around fire to keep themselves warm. In Kashmir, people use kangri to keep them warm. You can see in this picture that people are trying to protect themselves from extreme cold by sitting around fire. Now let's see which crops are grown in winter season. Wheat, mustard, gram and peas are grown in winter season by farmers of India. Students, you must be thinking that does South India faces cold or people use woolen clothes over there? No, there is no winter season in South India. There is only mild cold and people do not use woolen clothes. Similarly, coastal areas like Mumbai, Goa, Trivandrum, Rameshwaram and Chennai are cool. Summer season. Flowering on mango trees and sweet sound of koel is an indication of onset of summer season in northern India. In the mid-March, temperature increases day by day. Early sunrise and late sunset leads to long days and small nights. May and June are very hot. People use AC and coolers to keep themselves away from scorching heat of the sun. Dust storms are very common during summer season. Another thing which disturbs people during summer season is loo. You must be thinking, what is loo? Hot wind during May and June are called loo. This loo becomes very risky. Many people die of loo or heat stroke every year. Look at this picture. People have covered themselves with chunni or scarf to protect themselves from extreme heat. Besides, people used to eat juicy fruits during summer season like watermelon, melon, pineapple and mangoes. People want to visit hill station to get respite from scorching heat. Hill stations like Shimla, Kashmir, Mussoorie, Darjeeling, Mahabaleshwar are favorite spots of people to visit during summer season. In this season, king of fruits, mango is available at big scale. It is a favorite fruit of all Indian. Rainy season. Black clouds, thunders with lightning and a little cold wind gives relief from the summer heat. Suddenly, peacocks start dancing and we see water all around roads and lanes. The wind from the sea starts blowing towards land. Be aware, how does rain happen? The wind from the sea starts blowing towards land. It is full of moisture. This humid wind turns into water droplets after cooling and it starts raining as the raindrops become big and heavy. Rainy season is also known as the arrival of monsoon. You must be thinking, what is monsoon? Rainy seasons, winds blowing from the sea bring moisture and rain are called monsoon. Due to humid winds, it rains a lot all over India. Sometimes it turns into floods. Even in Delhi, due to heavy rains, Yamuna flows over the danger mark. Just like summer and winter, India does not see equal rain in all parts of it. It rains heavily in northeastern states like Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Kerala, Goa and on western coast, while there is little rain in middle of the plateau, desert and Leh Ladakh region. Now let's talk about which crops farmers grow in rainy season. As we are aware, most of the people in our country are engaged in farming. Farmers all over India cultivate maize, rice, jowar, pulses in rainy season. It is only because of different seasons that we get different types of fruits, vegetables, cereals. Each season is very important, be it dresses that we wear or the crops that are grown by our farmers. So students, this was chapter Seasons of Hamara Bharat. Hope you must have enjoyed it. Now it is your turn. Do all the worksheets given at the end of this chapter. We will meet with next chapter. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye.